installing computer softwares. We have programming. For example, in programming, we create programs. We use the C language or the Java language, and in installing computer softwares, we call it ICS. We install
the initiatives that Wited Case and P chapter have been involved in is like empowering the girl child through motivational talks. We've had quite a number of motivational talks, a continual effort, motivational talks from speakers, role models, alumni, and also from the industry persons.
We have an enrollment of 7,095 trainees as at now, and out of that 3,601 are the trainees in the STEM courses, and out of the 3,601, the females are 1,076. That's a ratio of about 1:2. That is females to male, and that means that it is not a very good ratio.
My advice to the females all over Kenya is that computing and informatics is the solution to their problems. Computing and informatics is going to give them courses that is going to take them global. Computing and informatics is going to give female students areas and skills that will not only enable them to work in offices, but they also be able to work in the sea, they'll also be able to work in the hotel industries, they'll also be able to go global in different areas, because computing and informatics is a very versatile area.
I can inspire other women to do plumbing, because this course is not easy, just easy is not hard. So it is not something which cannot be done. And for me, I'm seeing myself in future as a great plumber. That's what I'm hoping for.
God willing, I'm willing to work on a cruise ship. So my prayers always goes that I get a job on a cruise ship.
What makes me strong as a marine woman or in the industry, according to the challenges, some of the challenges that you face, it will make you stronger in that it will change you into a different person you never perceived. And one thing it has enabled me to know where my strong points are and where to tackle some of these things. Mostly in interacting with some of the engineers in the field. I've worked with engineers, chief engineers, and I've worked on board, and seeing the challenges that they face, it makes me who I am.
When you want to direct these people to do these engineering courses, it's good to start at Form 2, where they start selecting their courses, because you find that many of these will drop physics at that low level because of the influence. But when they go up, they want to do engineering.
Something that pursued me to do this call is my call for humanity, just to serve my people and make them more aware about the health problems that facing us in our communities.
And we are here, want to go to the villages, to the communities, working out on the neglected diseases so that we can help them. There are so many people at the community who cannot go to the hospital. We are here to go and help them out and solve the issues in the community.
Nieleze communities jinsi ya kujikinga na maradhi.
Well, actually I chose this course since watu husema ni za wanaume, so I thought I could challenge myself and take this course, and it's naendelea vizuri.
We are going to take our sample and send the sample to the softness machine for the extraction of fat. The softness machine is on the next room.
Let's go.
Food science and technologies is a good course a very marketable course. So many opportunities around, within or even outside Kenya. There's so many opportunities of this course.
We have a variety of courses within my department. We have mechanical production, we have marine engineering, we have automotive, we have mechanical production, we have plant, we have refrigeration and air conditioning, and some other short courses. So in total, we have about 80 students, female students, 80 female students pursuing these programs. Currently, we have around 22 pursuing marine engineering. We have about 29 pursuing automotive related programs. We have about 22 pursuing mechanical production. We have 2 pursuing plant. We also have additional 1 undertaking refrigeration and air conditioning, just to mention a few.
Nowadays, there is nothing which a woman cannot do. I know most of the technical courses, initially they were seen as the courses for the men, but nowadays anybody can be able to do. So I encourage them to do. As we are, I'm here as an example, they can also do it.
Kuna tools za kutumia ifungua hiyo spark plug. Kuna spark plug sockets, kuna compression air, hiyo ni optional, kuna top wrench, kuna magnet.
Okay, the first procedure, before you remove the spark plug, you make sure the engine is cool ili usichomeke. Then the second thing, the negative terminal disconnect ili usilipuke.
Then you locate the spark plugs you locate the spark plugs.
Yeah, kama kuna gari zingine maybe kwenye spark plug zake ziko, so you ask the owner of the car to show you where the spark plug is.
So the interest of this automotive engineering course, nilikuwa nataka kujua zaidi kuhusu magari na ye technology venye inaendelea kiimprove. Sasa hivi kuna gari zenye zinatumia water, zinatoka kwa diesel na mambo na petrol.
Tukiingia workshop wanatupea the tools that we need, like pia wanatusaidia sana in case tuwe na shida kwa magari, like everything doing the practical, wanatupea kila kitu. Kuna pia guidance yenye anatuguide.
Willing, I'll have to open my own garage and at least take some of the girls and teach them on how to repair these kind of vehicles, so that we can increase the number of women in this industry.
So to take the measurements of the main journal, we use the micrometer screw gauge, and it has got 2 parts, the main scale leading and the vernier scale leading. So we're going to take the micrometer, we measure. So for us to know the readings of the main journal, we look at the vernier scale readings which coincide with the main scale reading. In our case, it coincides at 53. So our readings for the main journal is 53 millimeters.
It being a technical course, there's a lot of stereotype, a lot of perception revolving especially gender. So you will realize that it is assumed the majority of people who are working in this field are male. So it is a male-dominated field. So those are part of the challenges where people look at you and they first judge you with how you look instead of what you have to offer. So we have demystified that myth
where apart from just any gender can jump into this field and equally deliver, because it's not about the gender, it's about the skill, the mastery of concept, and the ability to deliver and transform and bring about change. And that is why we're in this field. And it's not a challenge that is not a bad challenge that will discourage us. It's a good challenge that even the young ladies look up to us, and they thrive to get into this field as well. So we are keeping up with the challenge.
Areas one can specialize in electrical and electronics engineering. As a young lady, after the completion of your course at Kenya Coast National Polytechnic in engineering, that is electrical, one, that person is able to be in self-employment. Two, it can be employed in public sectors like Kenya Power, KenGen, etc.
In fact, the male students are encouraged when they see that our madam is a female student, is a female gender, yet she was able to do whatever we are doing. So in fact, they are encouraged more.
Currently in the department, I have a population of 807 students, out of which I have 106 female students that are undertaking electrical engineering at various levels, that is the diploma, the craft and artisan, of different trade areas, that is the power and telecommunication.
When taking a course, you must be passionate about it. First of all, when you accept the course inside your heart, you do it with effort, and you put all the effort is necessary to do the course, not being forced by anybody, but you do it out of passion.
Okay, according to me, what motivated me to take this course was that I saw it was marketable, and also people process good products like bread and other more products.
For we ladies, like you're choosing a salon that you want someone to attend to you. Then you find a man in a salon. See, obviously you will go for the man. So just the same way for we ladies in technical courses. So like most of the people want to work with you. Yeah. Being a lady in technical courses, it's an advantage.
I teach analytical chemistry, anything in the lab that concerns chemistry. That is science lab technology, both diploma and craft, analytical, diploma in analytical chemistry. I'm comfortable with industrial chemistry.
When I graduate, I will go out there and look for a job, or I open my own business according to my career.
I've learned a lot. For example, I've learned about the instrumentation concerning maybe microscope.
First, for example, I went for attachments last year, and what I experienced there, it was so amazing. That's why I'm still having that motivation of doing this work and continuing doing it.